We would like to give a special thanks to FinFun for providing us with these toys. There's nothing like a beach getaway in January. Today on Unbox Daily, FinFun Mermaid Tails for dolls. FinFun has a website called finfunmermaid.com where they sell swimmable mermaid tails. In life size, I have a few myself. The Northern Lights Atlantis mermaid tail? Need that! They also have mermaid tails for dolls, like 18-inch dolls and 12-inch. They are $12.95 each. Each one comes with a top and a tail. This is the Lunar Tide tail for 12-inch dolls. It comes in a Ziploc bag, so unboxing is pretty easy. Out of the bag, the top is wrapped around the tail. This is a blue strapless top with a jewel in the middle, and the tail is a replica of the life-size tails. The tail is detailed, you can see scales. The image is on the front and the back. It says FinFun in the corner. This tail is purple, blue, and pink. You can see some stars and has a really pretty galaxy theme. Let's try it on! Place it on the doll, feet first, to instantly turn your doll into a mermaid. This is the Maui Splash tail. It comes with the same top and a blue and pink tail. I love how the color fades from blue to purple to pink. This fabric is stretchy, but the top waistband doesn't have a lot of give. The Lunar Tide tail fit our Froggy Fresh doll, and her body type is between an original Barbie and a curvy Barbie. Let's see how this tail fits in original Barbie. Aw, it looks great! There is a little space at the top, but if we want, we could just turn it inside out, pinch it in the back, and sew it for a more tailored fit. Let's take a look at Lotus Moon. The scales really stand out on this tail. It is teal and purple, the fluke is very pretty, and it comes with the same top. I'm not sure if this is going to fit a curvy Barbie, but let's find out. Carmen, you're up. We did it! But it is a very snug fit. Trying to get past the hips, I think I popped a stitch or two, just because the waistband has a straight stitch. If it had a back stitch or a zigzag stitch, it would have went up perfectly. But I think Carmen makes a perfect Little Mermaid. Speaking of Little Mermaids, let's try out a Disney Store body. We are going to let Ariel try on the Sweet Dreams tail. This tail is in pastels and it has large scales with stars and a little decoration at the waist. The fluke is rainbow colored with stars and it comes with a blue top. This will be a different look for Ariel. This Ariel has rubbery legs, so it takes a little more work to get the tail on. The top needs some alterations. Here she is in pastels. Disney Store dolls are a little thinner than original Barbies, so the top would need to be taken in. The tail is a little loose, but I think you can get away with it. And these give Ariel some more options for her wardrobe. Watercolor waves sounds like the perfect tail for Pocahontas. You know, colors of the wind and all. On this tail, I see blue, purple, pink, and green. The fluke has a little touch of green in the center, and I like those details at the top. This Disney Princess is by Hasbro, and I'm already thinking it's going to be a little big. Actually, the tail fits pretty good if you keep it right at the hip. The top is too large. I used a butterfly hair clip to hold it in the back, but I think Pocahontas makes a gorgeous mermaid. But today, from our little sizing experiment, I am going to say that the Fresh dolls and the original Barbie are the best fit for these tails. These miniature tails are made out of the same material as the life-size swimmable tails, so if you wanted to take them into the water, there should be no problem. These tails don't come with a monofin, but that's no problem because we can make one using craft foam. Just lay the bottom of the tail onto a piece of craft foam, carefully trace around it. Since the tail has top stitching, we will need to take our monofin in a little. Cut it out to make a foam mermaid tail. I take my time placing it inside of the tail. Now our tail fin has more shape to it, so when our doll is in mermaid form, she can have classic mermaid poses. Looks like Sophie and Chloe just got new mermaid tails. I like soft mermaid tails because you can pose your dolls. It's really cool that you can remove them and place them on whatever doll you like. Plus, we can get life-size tails to match our dolls. Yeah! Thank you for joining me while we took a look at FinFun mermaid tails for dolls. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for upcoming giveaways. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.